Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is AC Infinity Flexible Heating Cooling Ventilation. This ducting is designed for various ventilation, circulation, and heating/cooling transfer applications. It features 4-layer protection, making it more durable and resistant to leaks than single-layer designs. The internal layer is made of heavy-duty dual aluminum foil that is fire/flame resistant. Its outer layer utilizes dual PVC thermoplastic that protects the aluminum from cuts and tears while stopping leakage. Each duct tube is held together by an internal steel wire spiral that is flexible and easy to install in hard-to-reach places. The ducting can be shortened by cutting the tube to fit various applications. Includes 2 stainless steel duct clamps. Primarily used with duct fan systems in various air circulation and ventilation projects including hydroponic grow rooms and tents, bathrooms and attics, heating and cooling transportation, and other installations. It is also used to cool AV equipment rooms, closets, racks, and cabinets. Ducting tubes are a vital part of any room that requires a regular exchange of air, facilitating air delivery for proper ventilation. Using ducting will streamline the airflow, ensuring good indoor air quality and thermal comfort in your home or workplace. Our second best dryer vent hose is Omont Dryer Vent Hose. Omont is a well-known brand of dryer vent hoses that you can consider if you want something practical and ideal for small spaces. This Omont dryer vent hose is ranked third in this article because it is the smallest option available, making it ideal for use in small spaces. This dryer vent hose has a duct length of only 5 feet, which is much shorter than others. For proper compatibility, it comes with a standard duct diameter of 4 inches. And, despite its short length, it features a high-quality aluminum construction. The dryer vent hose is made of high-quality aluminum that is resistant to high temperatures, corrosion, and is long-lasting. The clamps are made of stainless steel. The dryer duct hose is constructed with 2 layers of aluminum foil beneath the PVC layer. A layer of strong PET and steel wire helix to keep your ventilation system free of rips and pinholes. The dryer vent hose is versatile and simple to install. The dryer duct includes 2 clamps to secure the air ducting. Simple, practical, and long-lasting. Third pick in our list is Cenepar Dryer Vent Hose. Its offerings when you are talking about dryer vent hoses that are easy to apply and offer a practical design. Cenepar's dryer vent hose is the perfect option for beginners as it is quite easy to install, thanks to the included dual clamps and a simple instruction guide. Talking about the specifications of this dryer vent hose, you get a duct length of 8 feet with it, which is quite common. Another similarity between this and other dryer vent hoses is that it comes with a duct diameter of 4 inches for easy installation. Since this is slightly premium than other options of similar length, it uses high-quality aluminum for its construction. You also get a 1-year-long warranty with this dryer vent hose for your peace of mind. Flexible ventilation pipe made of high-quality flame-retardant aluminum and built-in corrosion-resistant steel wire spiral. Temperature endurance range is 0 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, 0.4 inches by 8 feet when fully extended. Mainly used in air duct fan systems, used in various air circulation and ventilation projects, including hydroponic planting rooms and tents, bathrooms and lofts, heating and cooling transportation and other devices. It can also be used to cool AV equipment rooms, closets, racks and cabinets. Number 4 in our side is Improved Hand Dryer Vent Hose. Improved Hand is a relatively new and small brand of AC and dryer accessories that, thanks to its offered specifications, also includes a reasonably practical dryer vent house. As you can see below, the Improved Hand Dryer Vent Hose is slightly more practical than the average duct hose. When it comes to duct hose length, this dryer vent has a 10-foot hose, making it slightly more practical than others. It has a common duct hose diameter of 4 inches for maximum compatibility. In fact, it is built with aluminum and plastic, which makes it extremely durable. However, because Improved Hand is a relatively new brand of dryer vent hoses, it only comes with a 30-day warranty. Aluminum construction and PVC materials provide protection against cracking and breaking and makes it easy to bend in any direction for proper installation. The dryer duct is well tested by the manufacturer. The flexible dryer duct is mainly used in HVAC, bathroom, greenhouse, grow room and tent and so on. For details, let's watch more. Number 5 in our top 5 best dryer vent hose list is iPower GL Duct 4x8C Dryer Vent Hose. This iPower flexible dryer vent hose is a low-cost option to consider. The hose has a 4-foot diameter and an 8-foot length to meet the venting requirements of many in-home dryers. This dryer vent hose comes with a pair of 4-inch metal clamps for easy installation. The thermal endurance range of the dryer vent hose is 0 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. It's made of flame-retardant aluminum and has a fireproof coating for added peace of mind. A corrosion-resistant wire helix adds strength and stability for improved performance and longevity. In addition to HPS MH and ceramic MH technology, we offer digital ballasts, fluorescent, and LED lighting systems. From hobbyist to commercial applications, we offer a broad spectrum of gardening tools and equipment in hydroponics, irrigation, climate control, and structures to help your garden thrive. Power ventilation ducting is made from high-quality aluminum to provide flexibility and protect against breaking during installation. Not only does the duct act as an intake and exhaust piping for active cooled fixtures and reflectors, but also stores and dissipates heat at a steady rate, which reduces room temperature fluctuations. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.